At least it.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Grayson County in north central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Denison, or 9 miles northeast of Sherman, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Denison, Rain Lake, Ambrose, Bobby, and Carpenter's Bluff. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current